Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm going to show you how you can go from an Instagram public account to an Instagram private account or vice versa. Well, how do you switch from a public to a private Instagram account? Well, I find it's pretty simple. Just go onto your phone or your desktop computer, although I find the phone app works a little bit better for Instagram. Log into the account you want to switch to a private account, and then you'll go to the top right-hand corner here and click on this hamburger menu. If I scroll down, you'll see this option for account privacy, and then I'll just have to select private account. I can click that. It will warn me that, hey, I'm going to turn this into a private account, and I'll just click the button there, and then it will take a second. There you go. I've made it a private account. If for every reason you ever want to go from a private account to a public account, it's really easy. All you just got to do is go into the same little menu here and then just uncheck private account. It will ask if you want to switch to public. I'll say yes. And then there you go. I'll switch to public. It will take a second. And there you go, it's ready. If you want just a little bit of privacy and you don't want to go fully private on Instagram too, you can also just unselect allow photos and videos to appear in public search engine results. That means that Google will not be able to find your Instagram posts or videos when somebody searches related search terms to what you've posted. So what happens if you have an Instagram creator account and you want to make it private? Well, that makes things a little bit more complex, but again, just go to the hamburger menu in the top right-hand corner here, scroll down, and then you'll find creator tools and controls. I'll click on that. And then if I scroll down, you can see switch account type. I'll click on that and I'll have to switch to a personal account. Otherwise, it's not going to let me switch to a private account. So I'll click on that. It will give me a warning that, hey, I'm going to lose access to my analytics. That's fine. I'll hit switch to personal account. And there you go. It's switched to a personal account. I can click on the back arrow and then I can click on account privacy, and then I can check off private account. It'll ask me if I want to switch to private again, and I will hit yes. And there you go. The account is now private. Now I can review followers and see who can see my stories or who can see my posts. If I click on this, and then you'll have that opportunity. I can also take the time to review who can see my posts and my stories if I want to do that, but I'm okay with just leaving it as private and letting everyone see my stories who already follows me. So that's fine with me. So there you have it. That's how you go from a public to a private Instagram account. Thanks so much for watching. We have tons of great content coming your way all the time. Free trial of Agorapulse below. Check it out.